Welcome to PJ's Q&A section. Hello everyone. One of my YouTube subscribers asked me, why do we always punch a hole in the back of the stone? There are two major reasons to do that. First, your stone will look brighter when you put it into the showcase if you have the hole in the back to allow the light to go through. Second, when we wear jewelry, humans tend to have some grease or from the skin. Having a hole in the back is much easier to clean the stone. So now the question is, what kind of jewelry we will have the hole in the back? Pretty much, if you can do it, most of the time you wanted to do it. Sometimes you don't have to have something like this, like eternity ring with this prong setting, because you have a lot of light coming through from the side. So in this design, you don't have to worry about that. What is the most is either on the ring shank, because the ring shank is pretty thick, then you may want to punch the hole, or something like this that doesn't have a hole in the back, like this earring over here. So I wanted to show you how to actually make the color. The color look like this. It will be perfectly matching the stone, and then punch it through, and then you can do the bowling difference. So what is that? Let me bring it out a little bit, so you kind of get a grasp of what they look. So how exactly we are going to make a color is quite simple. We are going to follow the stone shape, and you're going to draw a profile. The profile is going to look something like this. Once you have this profile, we just need to do a surface tool with the revolve. Axis to the 0, you want to revolve 360 degree, and then you will have this one. Depends on how thick your metal, you may need to have the bottom one to be longer. This is just an example. Then we can use the CAD command, then we will have something like this. So when you flow your stone, you'll flow your color with it, so that will be perfectly matched. So we have the color is perfectly matched the stone. All we need to do is bowling difference. So this will be difference out from this one. Then we will have a hole punch. And let me turn the stone off. Please like and comment and share my video. And let me know if you have other questions. Thank you, and I will see you next.